Hi sweeties, it's Elle, and today we're going to be junk journaling with my Toyo Steel toolbox. I originally saw this toolbox at Maido on the second floor in Japantown, and it was being sold for $200. I didn't have money at the time, and I found out later that Eugene bought it for me online at this website called Batten Home, and this was in January. It was supposed to be my birthday present, which was in March, but it came in May. So that's why we're junk journaling with it now. I've been using it to hold all my junk journaling supplies, from stickers, markers, scissors, all my ephemera, all my stickers, and even my junk journal, because my junk journal fits in this toolbox. So how cool is that? So stay tuned if you guys want to do a little Yap Craft with me as I make this junk journaling spread. First, I'm going to need some music playing. Of course, I'm not going to play copyrighted music on my channel, but I will leave a link down below to my all-time favorite songs on Spotify. I'm so glad that they created a playlist based on all the songs I've had on repeat for the last 13 years that I've had Spotify. So if you want to jam to what I was listening to, which was a lot of Lady Gaga, a lot of second and third gen K-pop, some Michael Jackson, some 80s songs, be sure to listen to that playlist or play while you junk journal with me. So let's get started. Also not sponsored, but I just wanted to give a short mini review on this Toyo Steel toolbox. One, it is a beautiful shocking pink color. I absolutely love that it's made of actual Japanese steel, so I know that the quality is going to be lasting for a long time. And just the make of it, the screws, the hinges, and the handles on the toolbox, they don't squeak, they don't make a loud noise, and there's a satisfying click sound whenever you open and close the toolbox. So my only concern about this toolbox is that at those particular hinge points where the screws are, where the handles meet, I am starting to notice that a little bit of the hot pink paint is peeling off, but I don't see that as a long-term issue. I still think the body of the toolbox is going to be long-lasting, and if it does end up having a few scratches, bumps, or paint peeling from here and there, I feel like it would be part of its character. Right now it's just pristine, but I can see myself putting more stickers, more decoration on this toolbox, more than just my little keychain of this little Pushin edamame plush keychain that goes on top of the handle right now. But right now I am in love with this toolbox. I'm so grateful to my husband for buying this for me, even though it came late for my birthday. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this junk journal with me. Alright, midway check-in on this video. How are you sweeties doing? Have you taken a sip of water or had something to hydrate with today? If not, consider your gentle reminder to take a little sip right now. I would love to know what you're up to while you're listening to this video. What kind of art or craft project are you working on right now? Or if you're not crafting at all and you're just here to unwind and chill for the vibes, that's totally fine too. Please let me know in the comments below. I love reading what you guys are up to. If I'm being completely transparent with you all, my family and I have been going through a real season of survival lately. I won't get into too many details because that's private, but it's definitely been a tough, heavy season, and we've been definitely feeling the weight of some financial struggles. But honestly, even in the middle of this hard season, we have just been so incredibly blessed. I am just so grateful for the way things have aligned and for the kind, supportive, and loving people who have stepped into our lives. It really feels like a reminder that we aren't alone and that there's a greater sense of care and provision looking out for us throughout the community around us. We received so much generous support from our friends, our family, our church community, and even beautiful souls right here on the internet. I really want to give a special shout out to Kima, who sent me a whole package of beautiful, unused junk journaling supplies recently. Kima, you have no idea how much that brightened my spirit and fueled my creativity when I needed it most. And I also want to give a massive shout out to Peter, who graciously gifted me my absolute dream vlogging camera. I'm not using it right now because I bought it after filming this video, but rest assured it's going to be getting a lot of use for this channel moving forward. And because of this financial season we're in right now, if you guys ever feel compelled or moved to support the channel directly, I do have my coffee account set up. There's absolutely no pressure at all, but if you want to buy me a coffee or join our membership tiers, it genuinely helps us out so much while we navigate through this rough patch. More than anything, just you sweeties being here, watching, and being a part of this community means the world to me. Thank you so much for letting me share this space with you and for creating with me and for being the most supportive community I could ever ask for. And now this is the completed junk journaling spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for crafting with me. Thank you for junk journaling with me. And let's go ahead and put away my junk journal and put away in this beautiful Toyo Shocking Pink toolbox that I'm so grateful that we have now. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, check out my coffee if you feel compelled to support the channel directly. In the meantime, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope you have a good rest of your evening or whatever time it is right now while you're watching this. Bye, sweeties!